Right, so we're just having a bit of a talk about teeth. This is Fred, and Fred's got brand new teeth because Fred's about 7 months old, gets his adult teeth when he's about 6 months old, so he's got absolutely perfect teeth. So that's your starting point. Everybody has perfect teeth when they're 6 months old, and then it's downhill from there unless you're careful. So we want to do everything we can to keep those teeth healthy, because in older dogs, gum disease is really, really common, 1, and 2, it's really, really horrible and it's painful. It's not just smelly. Some people just will notice a dog having bad breath, but along with that is gum pain and mouth pain and real unpleasantness for dogs. It doesn't have to be that way, but it does take a bit of work. So you want to be encouraging your dog to chew on something, to get food or treats that he can chew on, to use his teeth. These guys are going to live, hopefully, to be a grand old age, maybe teens of years old. The animals they evolved from didn't live anything like that long, so their teeth were never really designed to stay the distance that they have to do now. So we need to do some work. If we leave nature to its own devices, the likelihood is these teeth are going to deteriorate and they're going to get really unpleasant gum disease, gum infections and pain. So choose things that are going to be safe to chew, nothing too hard so they're not breaking the teeth, but nothing that they're going to chew big lumps off and get stuck. Sometimes a diet can be part of that. It might be a raw feed diet, or it might be just using biscuit foods, but something that has a positive effect on rubbing the surface of the teeth. Because dogs' teeth, they're not like ours. Our teeth are flat and they go round and round and they grind when we eat. Dogs' teeth for shearing, they go one inside the other. And a lot of the things that we feed dogs don't really require much chewing up that way. So we sometimes have to give them something that will encourage them to do that. But on top of that, we can do something ourselves. And if you get into the habit early on of cleaning your dog's teeth, it may sound silly, but it's very effective. But you've got to start early so it's not frightening, becomes something that they're used to, maybe a little treat when you've done it. If you get into the habit of cleaning your dog's teeth, there's 2 things to that. One is it's really effective. It helps to keep the tartar down on the teeth. And the other is it gives you an opportunity to inspect those teeth regularly and you will see if there's anything going wrong. But if you don't use your teeth, you get a film on the surface of the teeth. And when you forget to clean your teeth, you get that furry, fuzzy feeling on your teeth. That's a biofilm. You can't see it, but that's a biofilm on the surface of your teeth, and then tartar and calcium from the saliva sticks to that, builds up on the teeth, and you'll look in an old dog's mouth and often see it's very green and discoloured, and that's often this calcium tartar stuck to the teeth. And that will trap food against the gums, and it will erode the gums back, and you'll get infection up inside the gums, and that's where all the smell and pain comes from. So, it starts from keeping the dog's teeth busy, rubbing the surfaces, making the surfaces work, keep the tartar down, then you don't get bacterial infection in the gums, and it's perfectly possible to have an elderly dog with a lovely healthy mouth that isn't painful.